What's going on, everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how I make over $20,000 per year in passive income online. But not only that, I'm going to share the strategies, the exact strategies that I'm going to use to get to over $100,000 per year in passive income, which is a goal of mine and something I think I should be able to achieve in the next 6 to 12 months. I don't know if you saw a previous video that I made about how to make $1,000 per month in passive income. Now I've reached $20,000 per year, and now it's building up momentum, and I kind of have a hang of it now. So I'm going to talk about the strategies in this video. And if you like passive income and you want to make 20K per year passive income, please like this video, smash that like button, and let's get started. Okay, so passive income stream number one, and this is the majority of my passive income comes from this source, and that's Kindle Books on Amazon. So I've published a book series on Amazon about real estate investing. I have some marketing, finance books, different things like that. And that's my main source of passive income. And I would say this, Kindle Books on Amazon are not too difficult to publish. So if you have a passion or interest or something that you just love to do, your hobby, chances are you can write a Kindle book about that passion or subject. And a couple of tips on publishing books. Number one, you don't need to go through a fancy publisher. The books I've written they're more like guides. They're more like informational guides. So at a minimum, you should probably write about 10,000 words would be my recommendation. But not only that, you should write at least 10,000 words. You should use a professional editor. There's plenty of affordable editing services out there. And then you should also have a series of books. So one thing that really, I guess you could say, exploded my passive income online was instead of just writing one book about real estate or one book about marketing, I wrote an entire series. So people that might like one book, the chances are if they like it, they'll probably read the other ones. So instead of just making money off of one product, I've made money off of, I think I have like 10 or 15 different books out there. Another quick tip if you're going to publish Kindle Books on Amazon is that you should create obviously a Kindle version, but also a paperback and an audiobook version. That can basically triple your income online. I see a lot of books out there that might only have a paperback, might only have a Kindle, and a lot of books don't even have audiobooks, whereas audiobooks are about half of my income because there's not much competition. As of right now, if you look in the real estate industry on Audible, you'll probably see a lot of my books. There's not too many people that have done that. Even publishing companies that have millions and millions of dollars are not even smart enough to realize that they should probably publish an audiobook version of the book. It's crazy to me. So always publish 3 different versions and try to create a series around your topic. My second stream of passive income online, which I make about $10 a day or so, is YouTube ad revenue. So this is just running ads on YouTube videos. And now you don't want to bombard people with ads. Of course, nobody likes that. But once you reach a certain point, as of right now, it's 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, YouTube will allow you to run ads. And it can be very profitable, especially if you're in like the marketing, finance, real estate niches. So really just turn the ads on. And a couple of tips with YouTube ad revenue. Number one, you want to try to have at least 10-minute videos, because if you have 10-minute videos, you can put an ad in the middle of your video. If your video is only like 9 minutes and 58 seconds, YouTube will only allow like one ad in the beginning. So by having a 10-minute video, you can put the ad in the beginning as well as an ad kind of in the midway point, or really anywhere you want. So that's something that's been very helpful and pretty much drastically increased my YouTube ad revenue. And really from here on out, I don't think I'm ever going to make a video under 10 minutes. Obviously I don't want to just like drag on and just talk about nonsense in some type of video just to make it 10 minutes. But you get the point. Try to make your videos at least 10 minutes. Additionally, similar to publishing books, you also want to create a series around your YouTube videos. So if there's someone that's like looking to watch basketball videos, they probably don't want to watch videos of just random stuff like your cat or your dog or something like that. So your channel should be very focused. It should be all basketball videos, maybe 50 basketball videos, because if they watch the one and they like it, they'll probably want to watch the other ones, which is going to grow your subscriber base. You're going to get more views, you're going to get more watch time, and that's really how you build up a channel, by having a series of related videos. Lastly, you should try to immerse yourself and invest in your YouTube education. For the first 2 years of YouTube, I had no idea what I was doing. I just kind of put out videos here and there. I'd get some views every now and then. I'd get some views and some watch time, and 1 or 2 videos would do pretty well. But ever since investing in like seminars and online programs from some of the top YouTubers in the business, I've gotten monetized, so now I'm making thousands of dollars per year off of YouTube, and potentially much more. But I've just been also more strategic with my videos. There's things you're going to learn, even if you just learn one thing from a seminar or an online program, it's going to help you be much stronger on YouTube and get more viewers. It's a faster way to go about it. If you just mess around by yourself making videos, you're not really gonna be as effective as if you invest in a program, go to a course, meet other people, and see what they're doing, and then model the best strategies. So definitely invest in yourself when it comes to YouTube. My third source of passive income is my website. So in my books and in my videos, I try to drive a lot of people to my website, and I sell affiliate products on there. And affiliate income, as of right now, it's not a huge source for me. I think as I get more traffic and build up my brand a little bit more, it'll start to be a bigger source of income. But basically, the way affiliate marketing works is, I have different products and services that I use on a daily basis. And if I like something a lot, whether it's health related, I made a video about this like green smoothie that I like to take every week, or actually every day. Or maybe it's a marketing related product, or maybe a review of a camera, just different products and services that have been helpful to me. I'll make a review about it and I'll put it as like a recommended resource on my website. And once you get a certain amount of people to your website, and people trust you and people know you, and you're recommending different products, then you can start to get paid by the companies. So most businesses, if they're smart, will have some type of affiliate program where if you direct someone to their website and they make a purchase, you get a certain cut. Like Amazon, for example, has an affiliate program. I think it's like 4% or 5%. But if someone's purchasing a lot of goods on Amazon and you have a lot of traffic going to that link, it could be a very good revenue source. And most affiliate programs are actually a lot more than Amazon. So every company and every product, chances are they might have an affiliate program. So if there's something that you like to use a lot and you recommend it, you should make a video or a piece of content, or maybe recommend it just on your website. And if you have enough people going there, people are going to purchase it. And that's another source of passive income where, whether I work or not, it's people can purchase it and I can make money. So those are my three main sources of passive income online to make over $20,000 per year. And the way I would approach this business, because you can do it part-time, you can do it full-time. If you have a job, honestly, keep your job, because you can make the full-time income, and then this can just be a hobby. Because the way I think about passive income online, or passive income in general, it's like a game. I just want to see how far I can take it. My goal is $100,000 per year in passive income, which I think I should get in the next 6 to 12 months based on the trajectory and some of the things I'm actually going to talk about in this video. But think about it like a game. Just have fun with it. Don't take it too seriously if you don't hit your goal. And honestly, once you start making like $1 per day in passive income, or $1 per month, that's exciting. That's a big deal. I remember like my first couple of sales were, pretty exciting stuff. When you see that there's other ways of making money that don't require you to necessarily commute a couple hours every day. So try to make your first dollar online, then try to make your first $10 per month, $100 per month, and then you can make videos like this where you talk about, hey, I made $1,000 per month, $20,000 per year, and I'm going to keep updating you. So I'll probably make a video once I hit maybe $50,000 per year, or who knows. I'll make different videos where I can add value and kind of teach you exactly what I'm doing to make money online. And the second part of this video is how I'm going to get to $100,000 per year in passive income. So the very first thing I'm trying to do actively right now is actually buy an apartment building. So I'm trying to buy an apartment building that will basically make, hopefully somewhere between $5,000 and $10,000, in cash flow every single year. So that would add, let's say another $10,000 per year in passive income. So that would get it up to like, let's say $40,000. And I think rental real estate, especially apartment buildings, is a great long-term goal. If you have some cash saved away, you can buy maybe like a 4-unit building and then eventually scale up to like 10 and 20 or 50 unit buildings. Because a mentor of mine said this. He said, look, people that invest in real estate, they do pretty well. But people that own apartment buildings, those people are wealthy. So I'm trying to really focus more of my investing income really just on buying larger scale assets like apartment buildings that can generate a lot of cash flow. So that's going to be one of my strategies for getting to 100K per year in passive income. The next strategy is higher ticket products. So right now, the majority of my income comes from Kindle Books, which are like, $5-10. So I sell a lot of those. I might sell like, I don't know, maybe 1,000 per month or so. But they're also pretty low ticket, so I'm only making $2, $4, or $5 every single purchase. However, if you look at all the top internet marketers, the people that are making the most, they're selling products that are like $997, maybe $5,000, maybe $10,000, maybe even $20,000, just for a single product or a single service. So my goal to get to 100K is to really focus on more of the higher end products and services. And I can relate this to real estate as well. The top earning real estate agents, real estate investors, they don't focus on like the $5,000 deals. I was actually working at a real estate company where we do like $5,000 deals. We do a lot of them, but there's only so many $5,000 deals you can do. At the same time, I did a couple deals that made $100,000. And not to say it's like, oh, it's the easiest thing in the world just to do $100,000 deals. But the highest earning people in pretty much any industry, they don't focus on the low ticket. They focus on the higher ticket products and services. So as a real estate investor, you should focus on the higher end, more profitable properties. And the same is true with internet marketing. Try to focus on higher ticket products. Because if I'm selling a $1,000 product, I might only have to sell like 1 or 2 or maybe 3 or 4 of those every single month to do extremely well. Whereas if I'm selling $5 products like I am now, I have to sell like 1,000 of those every single month to make a decent income. So focus on a higher ticket. The third way I'm going to get to 100,000 passive income is through dividend stocks. So there's plenty of stocks out there, many that have been around for a long time, that will pay you a dividend every single quarter. I think some might even pay every single month. But you obviously invest in the stock, and then they'll pay you a certain amount every single quarter, every single month, depending on how well the stock does. And those, I think they tend to get a little bit lesser return than, obviously like a high-tech stock or something like that. But they can be more dependable and more of like a truly passive cash flow every single quarter and every single year. So that's my plan, to get to $100,000 per year in passive income. And once I hit that goal, maybe my goal will be like $100,000 per month, or maybe even more than that. I mean, it's really a lot of fun. I have a friend that I'm doing this with right now, and he's making money online. I'm making money online. And we're not making $50,000 or $100,000 per month, obviously, but just adding, a couple $100, adding $500 per month, $200 per month, even $100 per month. It's pretty exciting stuff, because you're just creating money, whether you work or not. You're making money in your sleep, and it's exciting to see it build. So keep in mind that there's many different ways to make passive income, online, offline, dividend stocks, things like that. And I would focus on making like your first dollar in passive income, but also try different strategies. So for me, I've tried many different strategies. So I've done the Kindle publishing around real estate books. So maybe you could publish some informational guides around your product or service or whatever your passion is. Number 2, you can do YouTube videos. You can make YouTube ad revenue. I was pretty terrible when I got started at video marketing, and pretty much everyone told me I shouldn't do it and talked a lot of trash. But it's fun, for me, it's fun just to like get better and improve on things. So even if you're bad, or you think you're bad at video marketing, just get in front of a camera and start doing it. And it's impossible not to get better if you want to improve. It's going to be hard not to. I mean, if you put your mind to something, especially with video marketing, you can get better. Like, yeah, there are people that are naturals, but there's also people that have done like 100 videos, and all of a sudden they become a natural just because they've done it so much and they've learned from their mistakes. So, if you're not good in front of camera, don't worry about that. And then maybe try affiliate marketing, or maybe try dividend stocks. Try at least 3 different strategies, because one is probably going to do much better than the other one, but at the same time, the other 2 strategies might lead to other strategies, or they might lead to you just improving on those strategies. And pretty soon, you'll have some from one strategy, you'll be making some from another strategy, you'll be making some from a third strategy, and all 3 strategies combined, you'll start to see, some significant income. Another thing I would say is obviously model the top people. So you should be like looking online and looking elsewhere, passive income online, how to make $100,000 per month in passive income, per year in passive income. Look up the top people that make passive income and just copy them. But not only that, you should try to get into like masterminds. I'm trying to get into a mastermind right now where the minimum is like $10,000 per month in passive income. So, and that's just like to get in. So most people are making like significantly more than that. But when you're just like around these types of people and you pay for like mentors and things like that, you will start to expand your horizons and you will start to make more. Just being like associated with those types of people, you'll just see how easy it actually is to make money online, or just make passive income in general. So thanks for watching this video. And if you have any questions whatsoever about making passive income, drop them in the comment section below and I will be sure to answer your question. And please like, please share, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. All right, bye.